When I learned 3-point perspective, my work completely transformed. It can make your buildings feel towering, make your scenes feel impressive, and can even improve your portraits. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to draw it, how to understand 3-point perspective, and actually use it within your drawings. Stick around till the end of this video because this can seriously level up your drawing skill.
Perspective is the technique artists use to create the illusion of depth on a flat surface. The horizon line represents eye level. The vanishing points are spots where parallel lines meet. 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. These guide how objects shrink or grow depending on distance. You can see perspective all around you, in cities, streets, buildings, even furniture. Mastering it makes your drawings feel real. Stick around because in the next section, we're taking this foundation and drawing boxes freehand and learning about 3-point perspective. 3-point perspective. Start with a horizontal line and 2 vanishing points. Add a 3rd vanishing point, either way high up or low down. This creates the illusion of height and depth. Think skyscrapers or a worm's eye view. And here's a tip. Closer the 3rd point is to your box, the more dramatic and distorted it'll look. You can have fun experimenting with that one. Start drawing your boxes using all 3 points. Stretch the shapes. Make some narrow, some wide. It really is a brain workout as well, but it's incredibly rewarding once it clicks. Remember to use a pen, ghost the lines, and build complex forms if you want. This is where your environments really come to life, and I do suggest you give this one 20 to 30 minutes of your time. Don't worry about being perfect, focus on seeing the space and building the habit. Perspective doesn't have to be scary. It will massively improve your drawing confidence and help build believable depth in your scene.
If you're enjoying this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the Portrait Guru so you don't miss out on any videos in the future.
Now that we've covered 3-point perspective, let's take it a step further. Drawing boxes completely freehand without rulers. Start by lightly sketching a box at any angle you like. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on capturing the general volume and direction of each plane. Move around, rotate the box, try different heights, even tilt them slightly. The goal is to train your eye to see and construct 3-dimensional shapes from imagination. As you sketch, remember your vanishing points. Even freehand, lines still subconsciously follow them. Try drawing several boxes overlapping at different angles. Some may look off at first, and that's fine. Mistakes is how you learn. Once you've filled a page of boxes, grab a colored pen. Go over your lines and check, do the edges converge correctly? Are the verticals leaning the right way? Which boxes feel solid and which feels flat? Analyzing your work this way helps your brain internalize structure. Want to go even deeper? Join the Portrait Guru membership for exclusive shorts, behind the scenes content, and exclusive chat rooms to help improve your art with fellow gurus. It's a way to support the channel and your own artistic journey. Check out the link in the description about different membership options. Keep experimenting boxes from above, below, and side angles, stacked together. Each attempt trains your eye and your spatial understanding. The more you do this, the more natural constructing any object, buildings, furniture, even characters becomes. Don't rush, keep your strokes light, and really observe how the angles interact. By combining freehand drawing with this analysis, you're building muscle memory for perspective, and your drawings start to feel alive instead of flat. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to draw complex structures directly from imagination with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I really do highly recommend you checking out this video coming up.